Let me show these people what we got going on. We got an oil leak rear main, not touching it today. Headers coming out, they're soaking. Oh, let's see. Dude, it's funny how clean the top of this thing is compared to the bottom.
You got to be kidding me. That's wrong size too.
Here you go.
Oh, duh. Alright, this one ain't it. I don't know what it is. Bingo. I'm coming off.
I'm assuming we're gonna find out what we need today. You got her on max?
Yeah, that's it. So we gotta come off before I can do it.
That's gonna be a 21, I bet.
Yeah, I think that's the one. The one you're working on is the one I think it's stripped.
It looks like it's been marred to death.
Or it's this one back. Or no, that's. Yeah, or it's this one right here. One of them. We'll have to. I don't know. What this.
Well, I got a commercial discount at O'Reilly's, so hopefully it won't bend you over sideways. Ah! Let me get a real wrench. Dude, you look epic. Go ahead, go ahead. Just give her a yank, man. Woo! Good. Got the clip out.
You said give her a yank.
There you go. All right, I got it. Get you a bolt.
Oh, head butted.
All right, let me see that. Let me see that. Over here. All right. Woo! Let's just let them hang.
Yep. We might have to kill it.
Yeah. Yep.
Woo!
All right. Let me throw. Just gonna put a nut on the end just to make sure it don't fall out.
Dude, I'm excited for this ride home.
It's gonna be loud.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be so loud. It's right there up under the cab, right at your feet.
What are you gonna do? Where are you gonna run your exhaust? You're gonna spend some money on 3-inch.
That's what I want.
You're in the big boy club now. Look around. Who put the dipstick in between the header? You know who you are. Ha 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 ha! Woo! We're out. Hold on. Just watch them spark plugs. Is it good?
It's in there, dude.
We're about 2 inches below though.
What do you mean?
You gotta go up about another 2 inches. 2 inches is a lot, man.
Boy, that's it. That's on there.
Is it on the
I'm
front?
gonna have to beat the frame
Where?
right here.
What are you talking about?
It's pretty dang close.
Let's try this passenger side. So now we have our tabs here.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I mean, who put these in here?
My boss, I guess.
He's watching the video, isn't he? You gotta tighten these plugs up a little. Ha ha! I got that undone my pinky. About the only thing I'd rather it be loose. Yeah, these are all like finger tight. Nice and open. We may have to take this steering column out to get them in. We will see. Marked out. I'm going to heat these up and give it some hammer.
I'm probably going to take them out from the coil pack and do that side in first because that metal can go through this.
Yeah.
I hope it works. It probably won't even go.
It's going to help.
No, I'm talking about probably ain't even going to go in. Nope. Ain't going to work. I'm about to get actual
What?
different ones.
Try the other end.
I don't think this end's going to slide down in there. Yeah, it will.
Yes, it will. You just going to man.
No, it ain't either.
Makes me think of that Tim McGraw song, Chickasaw. You know what I'm talking about? He sings about that Native American. The old school Tim McGraw. 90s Tim McGraw. Choctaw, Chippewa.
Chippewa.
You know what I'm talking about, dude.
Yeah, I do.
Lord, let that pounding have been enough. You're stuck on the thing. It looks.
You hold it up in there?
Yeah, it looks good.
I'll go up top, look. Hey, Jesus, man. That's
looks great.
it.
It's still touching this transmission line.
Okay, let's see. I'm going to push the top in flush. Oh, dude, that's it.
Somebody's gonna ask me. Oh, taper up, flat down, and then it will torque the spec. And I have 2 torque wrenches, so we will torque these. I'm gonna record you on YouTube while you're on YouTube. What's going on with this header? Oh, there it goes.
You're on the... Yep.
Watch your finger. I'm gonna try to...
You're on this bolt back here for the head.
Oh.
The very back bolt for the head.
I gotta get wedged right there and get past it.
Yeah. It's that bolt. That's why I said we're gonna have to take the steering column out. It's the only way we can get over a little bit farther.
You think so?
I'm thinking, yeah. You want to stand up, wiggle it, and you see?
Hold on, I see what you're saying. Hold on, let me look at this for a
The
second.
very back pipe is getting hung up on this bolt back here, right here.
Yeah, but see this? Look at that bending.
Yeah, that heat shield also.
If I could just bend that heat shield out of the way of here.
Oh, you're in there, dude. You're almost there. If you could get it to come over.
Watch your fingers.
I'm good. If it slips, you're good.
Hold on, hold it. You got it?
Yeah.
Let me get a pry bar.
Oh,
shit.
Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Oh. Is that on video?
Yeah. Oh,
I
dude.
thought I was going down. Is it even locked? Is it even locked?
Where's my... Yeah, it's locked. I kicked it by accident.
Oh.
Where's my pry bar?
I love your little door up here.
Hey, dude, it works. That was a nightmare to build.
I bet it was a nightmare to get it put up.
Yeah, by myself. With that ladder. Where's my pry bar? Hold on. All right. Hold on. Last area to look. I don't know what I did with my pry bar.
Yeah, I want to hurry up. I'm tired of holding it.
I know, dude. Goober. I thought you were still holding it.
No.
Oh, right here.
Hopefully it don't fall. I
Got
think
it.
you wedged it up in there. Pretty good.
Hey-o. I'm going to try to do this without damaging your new header.
Mm.
Woo.
Oh. Yeah, that's it right there, dude. If you can get that pop over just a little bit. Oh, that's it.
Got it. Let me push it. Watch your hands.
Yeah, I'm clear. Oh,
Hey-o.
oh my God, dude.
Now hold on. Make sure this sits on the flange right, because it don't look like it is. We are hitting something.
Where?
There's a flange on top of the motor mount that's got to get cut off.
What do you, huh?
See?
Oh no. God, it come right out.
It did.
What in the world?
We got
to
cut that off. I got to cut that flange. Turn this camera off a minute.
Yeah, don't post this one.
Yeah. Our flange is warped. We have no idea how. And we're going to try to suck it in with some heat. Go ahead. It might not fire first. Jesus. Let's show the final product. It looks good, dude. It looks real good.
You have any problem with it?
It slows down.
Put in the MAC address.
Okay.
It'll take you 7 minutes to log in. See, it's now active.